Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Quran so we can get the day off to a good start. Today we're looking at chapter 2, verses 111 and 112. وَقَالُوا لَنْ يَدْخُلَ الْجَنَّةَ, and they say, never will they enter the Jannah, the paradise. So someone is saying something, or a group of people are saying something. إِلَّا مَنْ كَانَ هُودًا أَوْ نَصَارَى, except if you are a Jew or a Christian. Okay, so remember, these people who call themselves Jews or Christians, they, like Muslims, had a messenger and they had a book. And they were claiming that only they will enter paradise. Okay, Tilka amaniyuhum, that is their wishful thinking. So Allah is saying that's wishful. Qul, say, hatu burhanakum, bring your proof. Hatu burhanahum, bring your proof. In kuntum sadiqeen, if you are truthful. So God is saying that those people who claimed that you can only go to paradise if you were called a Jew or called a Christian, Allah is saying that is wishful thinking, that is not true. Bala, this is the next verse now. Bala, yes. Man aslama, whoever, anyone in this world, whoever, aslama, submits, wajhahu lillahi, their face to Allah. So what God means by this is whoever submits their direction to Allah, the direction of their life, the direction that they follow, the path that they follow. That's what it means by the face. So whoever submits the direction of their life to Allah, in other words, the way Allah guides us, وَهُوَ مُحْسِنٌ, and is a muhsin, and is a person who does ihsan. Now ihsan, we've studied many times before, is a very deep word, in summary meaning undertaking good deeds for the benefit of other people, in particular those people who are experiencing some deficiency. Okay, so it's very heavily linked to righteous deeds, doing good to other people without expecting anything in return. Okay, so Allah is saying that whoever submits the direction of their life to Allah, to the path described by God, and they do good deeds, who do ihsan, falahu ajruhu, so for him his reward, inda rabbihi, with his Lord, wala khawfun alayhim, and no fear on them, wala hum yahzanun, and not they will grieve. So there are two key lessons for us to reflect on today. Number one, that Allah is telling us that it doesn't matter what name you call yourself, whether you call yourself a Jew or a Christian. That is not the criteria for whether you achieve Jannah, paradise. No. It is your actions. It is whether you direct your entire life in submission to God's commands and doing good deeds towards others. That is what is going to help you achieve paradise. That's the first thing. And the second thing for us to reflect on is that what is the lesson for us here when Allah gives this example? There is always a lesson here for us. And there are many Muslims who believe that it is only if you enter the group of people called Muslim will you achieve paradise. So what difference is that to these groups of people here who Allah is describing, who gave themselves a name, who had a prophet, who had a book, just like so-called Muslims do, and they claimed that only they will achieve paradise? Muslims perhaps have fallen into the same trap. Let's reflect. Peace.